want to brush up my etiquettes with a very special person.
What is the first thing you noticed when you entered this house when you met me? I've written questions down.
Wonderful. Stressed, depressed, but never underdressed.
Oh, good one. If
On
you have
Google.
some body language while you're talking, that means I'm झूठ बोल रहा हूँ.
Fidgety.
I want to ask you, give me 3 game-changing tips. The most confident people always have a very tight handshake and they look into your eyes.
Absolutely.
I am a replica of my mom.
Exactly.
Now I'm like, Hanji, I'm
Hanji.
Hansika Motwani.
खाना कुछ 1 घंटा तो चलता है। मेरे को नहीं खाना। अरे मेरे को खाना ही नहीं है। ठीक है हटा दो।
मैं तो नसी चढ़ गई है।
मुझे तो सिर्फ यही पता है, I am done.
I am done, which is good.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And before आप सब सोच रहे हो कि मैं इतना formally क्यों ready हुई हूँ आज, is because today I want to brush up my etiquettes with a very special person, Sonia Dubey Diwan. And she is India's first and only certified image master and among the only 21 in the world. Wow! Yeah, she's gonna come. We're gonna brush up my etiquette skills and you guys can also learn a little bit something about dining etiquette, something about personality development. I'm very excited about this. So let's see and I hope this goes well. Baki, I think आप लोग देख लो.
Hello Sonia, how are
Hi.
you? I am so happy to have you on my YouTube channel.
I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for having me here.
It's a pleasure.
fantastic. It's a pleasure.
I'm going to dive in straight.
Wonderful. Let's
Okay,
get
so I have my little red book
Oh,
and I've written questions down.
wonderful.
So Sonia, I'm going to ask you a few things.
Go
First few
ahead.
things.
Yes.
What is the first thing you noticed when you entered this house when you met me?
Oh, very good because I did observe.
Okay.
Well, as an image consultant, the first thing that we see is ABC. Okay, what is
acha.
ABC? So let me decode it. We call it ABC of image: appearance, behavior, communication.
Ooh la la. Guys, note banao. Karo.
So appearance-wise, I saw you wearing this lovely pink, and I was like, oh, that's her pink. So she's wearing her color. So.
Yeah.
And you walked in, so your posture and everything was just saying confidence, warmth, and the lovely personality that you have. So I could just read that, and I was like, oh, I'm welcomed over here. And behavior, you greeted me with a big smile on your face. So you know how to make people feel, and you are amazing at that. So ABC, all tick mark.
Hey! You know, I'm going to put in a fun fact here. I'll tell you about myself. When I was young, मैं जब छोटी थी, so मम्मी ना मुझे introduce जब करवाती थी ना,
Right.
तो मैं मम्मी के पीछे छुप जाती थी.
I know you were doing this, right? I
Yes.
could see your,
मैं पीछे छुप जाती थी and then मम्मी हंसका, hello बोलो, हंसका. अब ना मम्मी कहती बेटा अभी hello मत बोलो, तुम पीछे आ जाओ. Because I never used to shake hands also.
Right,
And then
yeah.
eventually my mom taught me. She was like, your shaking hands is showing how confident you are.
That's true.
And now I'm like, Hanji, I'm
Hanji.
Hansika Motwani. So I think that's one personality development I did.
Yes.
And that was because my mom really,
You know,
taught me.
mums are always the first image consultant.
That's
for
true.
everyone.
I am a replica of my mother.
Yeah,
I am.
so am I.
Yeah, lovely.
It's
Okay,
amazing.
apart from this, tell me few things that, you know, if I want to make an impression, not me, if my viewers or, you know, they want
Anybody.
to make an impression
Right.
for a meeting,
Right.
what colors they should wear.
Oh, nice. Interesting.
Yes.
The best thing to do is if you're having a very close meeting or in person, always go for softer, lighter colors. They are the best. You know, very easy. On the eye, like I look at you, it's not very blaring, it's not glaring at my eye. Conversation will be very smooth. If you are in a very big space where so many people are looking at you, wear your loudest. Because you want to be seen, you don't want to be missed out in that entire group of people. But one-on-one meetings, always softer, lighter colors. They are the best.
But give me like more few things about body language में क्या किसी में notice करना चाहिए और क्या किसी में नहीं notice करना चाहिए.
So body language is a huge science, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just going to cover a few basics of it. So whenever you have to read, look at the body of the person and see when do I do this?
When do I do this? मतलब
For example, if I'm sitting like this or if I'm sitting a little bit like this. So now you take a mental picture of me sitting like this.
this means you're interested in talking to me.
Exactly. So
Correct?
now, because you
Yeah.
would do the same,
Yeah.
right? So just take a mental picture of that person and try to put yourself in that situation. In what scenario I do the same thing, and that will mostly give you the answer. That's the easiest way to read. So if I'm like scratching my nose, a lot of people say you scratch your nose, you're lying. Correct? Means that's
Yeah.
a typical
If
on
you
Google.
have some body language while you're talking, that means आप झूठ बोल रहे हो.
Fidgety, correct.
Yes.
So now think about it. When do you fidget?
But you
Fidget,
know,
yeah.
honestly, when I'm I'm lying and I do a particular body movement,
Right.
trying not to do it. I'm like, हंस झूठ बोलना बंद कर.
बंद कर. You know your body, right? Same thing you can read in somebody else.
So what is the biggest mistake that someone does in their first impression?
Lack of eye contact. Not looking at the person.
Yeah, correct.
Lack of eye contact.
सबको देख रही हूँ मैं.
घूरना नहीं है.
He's just staring at me. कि मेरे को कुछ बोलना ही मत.
घूरना नहीं है. Eye contact means I see you. This
Yeah.
is the biggest form of respect
I'm
for
trying to-
someone.
Think who doesn't give eye contact?
मतलब अगर देंगे भी, अगर somebody has a wrong intention या confident नहीं है, एक बार देखेंगे तुरंत कहीं और देखेंगे या नीचे देखेंगे, हाँ हाँ हंसिका how are you, हाँ 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 हाँ, and they'll go back. अरे nice house, they will not
Correct,
look
correct,
at you.
correct.
First 5 seconds or 3
Actually, the
seconds.
most confident people always have a very tight handshake and they look into your eyes.
Absolutely.
The last thing I want to ask is, give me 3 game-changing tips if someone needs to put them in probably their interview or in their real life.
Wonderful. Number 1 is intention.
Okay.
इससे ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है. इंटेंशन उस दिन या एक दिन पहले wherever you're going, इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं या कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग में जा रहे हैं, सिट डाउन फॉर 5 मिनट्स एंड सेट योर इंटेंशन. मैं कल यहाँ जा रहा हूँ या यहाँ जा रही हूँ, मेरा ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है, ये गोल है, मुझे ऐसे दिखाई देना है और मुझे ये इंप्रेशन छोड़ के वहाँ से आना है. ये 5 मिनट का अगर हमने काम कर लिया ना, एवरी सिंगल डे, इफ यू सेट योर इंटेंशन, ट्रस्ट मी, पूरा बॉडी का एक एक सेल वो काम करने में लग जाता.
That's true. I actually tell myself now, something not working in my favor is also working in my favor.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah, I really truly believe in that. Like,
वाओ.
नहीं हो रहा ना, कुछ ना कुछ
कुछ
तो हो
ना
ही
कुछ
रहा है.
है, कुछ बेटर प्लान में. सेकंड वन, स्ट्रेस्ड, डिप्रेस्ड बट नेवर अंडर ड्रेस्ड.
Oh, good one.
ये हमेशा करना है. बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, व्हाट यू आस्क्ड मी कि व्हेन आई वॉक्ड इन एंड आई सॉ यू, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग इज विजुअल. हम
Yeah.
सबसे पहले देखते हैं, देन सुनते हैं, देन हैंड,
Correct.
you know, contact your
But what if you're not
handshake.
feeling like to get ready?
That's put
not-
it all aside. Trust me,
non-negotiable.
the moment you'll wear something that is good and you'll see your reflection in the mirror, you'll be like, I'm feeling better.
Yeah, that's true.
Always.
Third one.
Oh,
Last.
last one.
Yeah.
Always be humble. A humble person. एंड लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि अगर मैं हम्बल हो जाऊंगी तो लोग, पीपल विल टेक मी फॉर ग्रांटेड. वो इसलिए क्योंकि आपकी बाउंड्रीज नहीं है ना, आपने बाउंड्रीज कभी सेट ही नहीं की. तो हमारी बाउंड्रीज नहीं है तो हम उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, हम अग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं. हम थोड़ा सा तू तड़ाक करके बात करने लगते हैं. यू कैन बी हम्बल एंड यू कैन हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंड्रीज के किसी की हिम्मत नहीं हो कि वो आपको इस तरह से बिहेव करे.
Okay, now we're going to go on the table.
Nice.
And I want to learn some dining techniques.
Okay.
Prepare a little bit,
Haan.
but we need to see what we can do.
Absolutely.
Let's go. Let's just set it
Yes.
up and then let's shift there.
So are we ready?
Yes, I'm very intrigued to learn about dining etiquette.
Okay, so before we dive into the food, we have to ensure कि we are sitting comfortably. क्योंकि खाना कुछ 1 घंटा तो चलता
पलटी
है.
मार दूंगा.
एक्चुअली अगर इंडियन खाना खा रहे होते तो अगर सुशी और ब्रेड नहीं होती ना तो कर सकते हैं, और अगर नीचे बैठ के खा रहे हो तो. सो व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग डाउन, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज योर हाउ फार यू आर फ्रॉम द टेबल. ओके, इजी वे टू फिगर दिस आउट इट, बैक आपकी चेयर से टच होनी चाहिए. अब ये हो गए तो खाना बहुत दूर हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
तो बार बार आगे आना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
है ना.
हाँ.
तो इसलिए चेयर को थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना है टू द एक्सटेंट कि बिटवीन योर बॉडी एंड चेयर टेबल देयर शुड बी अ 1 हैंड का गैप.
मेरा तो ज्यादा है.
हाँ, तो और आगे शिफ्ट करो.
Please explain this whole thing.
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये कॉन्टिनेंटल सेटअप है. कॉन्टिनेंटल को समझने का इजी तरीका है BND.
Guys, you know, she gave me a download of this. ये समझो हाँ, बहुत interesting है. D&D.
This will resemble the left hand side. बाया B, वो
उल्टा
भी
हाथ.
हो गया.
हाँ.
बाया is also B,
B,
है ना. So ये छोटा B लगेगा, है ना. And this will look like छोटा D. B stands for breads. So bread will always come on the left.
This
and
is D.
D.
Drinks.
D is drinks. So
Okay.
glasses and drinks, wine glasses always on the
Easy.
एक और है
हाँ जी.
जो भी याद रखना
हाँ.
चाहे, BMW.
BMW.
तो BMW में B पहले आता है, लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Okay.
Okay, B is for bread, M is for meal, and W is for water.
BMW.
Yes.
Bread, meal, water. Amazing. Okay.
Simple.
Yes. You've also given me the chart.
हाँ, yes.
Can I show it to the
Oh,
viewers?
please,
Yes.
go ahead, go ahead.
Guys, take a screenshot of it and use it for your date night.
So, let's decode.
Yes.
Okay. आप रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाओगे, फाइन डाइनिंग में यही मिलेगा, राइट. सबसे पहले सामने क्या है? दिस इज योर चार्जर प्लेट.
Charger plate.
चार्जर प्लेट या फिर इसको सर्वर प्लेट भी बोल सकते हैं. तो खाना इसमें सर्व होगा. This is your bread plate and then water comes over here. Water glass हमेशा knife के सीध में रहता है, हमेशा straight line में. तो जैसे knife खत्म होगा ना वहाँ water glass होगा. Now fork is always on the left and knife on the right.
Because they hold.
Yes, you hold that. Now how to hold it also. Okay, so simple thing is to balance your fork on your and your knife on your index finger. ऐसे करना है. You should be able to balance them. Yeah, ऐसे आराम से move कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? And then how do you hold it? Rest of the fingers just wrap around it. ऐसे नहीं 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 हंसिका नहीं. So you just wrap your fingers around it and then you turn your wrist. Okay? Movement जो है ना वो सिर्फ ऐसा ऐसा होता है. नहीं बजाना भी नहीं है. जैसे मम्मी बोलती है घर में लक्ष्मी नहीं आती है ऐसे. हाँ. बर्तन नहीं बजाने चाहिए. Okay, so your hand movement is ऐसा ऐसा only. इतना ही करना है. ये नहीं करना है.
Okay, we're not flapping.
No chicken dance.
Okay.
Okay, इसके लिए एक चैलेंज देती हूँ. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. उनको ऐसे करके रखना है कि वो गिरे नहीं while you are eating it. Shoulder relax. Relax. Drop your shoulder.
चलो फिर कोशिश करेंगे.
एक और बार.
अभी
हाँ.
अब क्या पकड़ूं?
Fork and knife. हाँ.
हाँ.
And then movement is like this and cut.
मेरे को नहीं खाना. अरे मेरे को खाना ही नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है हटा दो.
This is very stressful.
नहीं, this is only to remind you that elbows should not move. ना कट अगर करना पड़े ना तो meal preparation is not good.
खाना वापस खाती ही नहीं. To be honest. तो वहाँ तक मैं पहुँचूंगी नहीं. But to everyone who
Yes.
eats like hard meat,
हाँ.
they can you should not do something like
हाँ
this.
ये नहीं करना है. Like हम बिल्कुल we are not going after
yeah.
it. ठीक है? We are just like nicely cutting and eating. Now cut करते वक्त when you are first you are supposed to cut from your tip of your knife ऐसे. हाँ tip of the knife. Operation Hansika the surgeon. You cut and then you just take it with the fork and eat it. That's as
That's it.
simple
Okay,
as
tell me.
that. Resting position.
हाँ.
वो
मुझे तो सिर्फ यही पता है. I am done.
I am done, which is good.
This is done.
This is done. And
This?
if you want to take नहीं ये ऐसे नहीं करना होता है but इसमें एक छोटा सा change है. जैसे खा रहे हो ना वैसे ही आप अपना knife और fork उसके ऊपर ऐसे छोड़ दो.
इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
इसका मतलब है I'm still eating.
Oh, I'm
और
still
अभी मुझे
eating.
हाँ
Okay.
पानी पीना है, वाइन पीनी है. I want to just keep my hands down. तो ये ऐसे. यही
And how do you keep your
spoon.
Spoon.
Spoon again if you are eating fork, knife and then spoon comes next to it.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ?
खत्म ना ये भी
खत्म.
खत्म
No, if
है.
you're eating and you want to keep your spoon like this.
ओ
right?
नहीं वो नहीं
No.
वो भी रेस्टिंग में ही जाना है. दो पोजीशन याद रखनी है. रेस्टिंग एंड फिनिश्ड.
Easy.
इजी.
यही सही है.
कीप लाइफ सिंपल.
Very simple.
इसमें कैसे समझ में आता है ये फिनिश्ड है क्योंकि फोक अब ऊपर हो गया है. आप कैसे खा रहे थे ऐसे खा रहे थे ना.
Oh.
तो fork
There's
down,
logic.
down.
There's
Yeah.
logic in everything.
Correct.
Yes.
So this is fork up.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So what do we do with this butter knife?
Okay, so if you're given a bread plate and your dedicated butter knife, that means आप इसको use कर सकते हो to put मस्का.
मस्का.
Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes ये नहीं दिया होता है. एक common जैसे कि हमारे पास
हाँ,
bread
एक ही
loaf
देते
है,
हैं
हाँ
वैसे
तो
तो.
एक ही देते हैं. तो in that case, what you need to do is to take your butter,
Okay.
okay, put one cube in your transfer one cube in your plate.
Just transfer it.
हाँ,
Here.
that's it.
Okay.
And then you pick a loaf, fill up, हाँ, and just keep it there. How do you go about it? I'll take one also.
ये देखो इसे बोलते हैं aesthetics. So well done.
Yes.
There was just my struggle and this is her being all poised.
Poised, okay. And then you take bread, butter, and then you
Look at her knife and look at my knife, guys. पूरा butter लगा हुआ है.
Okay. Now how do you eat bread? Bread is finger food. तो इसमें knife, fork कुछ use नहीं करना है. इसको जितना आपको चाहिए ना उतना तोड़ना है. तो छोटा हमेशा bite size pieces. बहुत बड़े बड़े pieces नहीं लेने. And then you take your butter, apply. जितना चाहिए खूब सारा बटर लगाओ अच्छा रहता है सेहत के लिए. And then you just eat it.
हम क्या करते हैं? हम वो बताते हैं. ये लो भाई, खत्म. It's not right.
That's not what you're supposed to do. No. Hansika, what's your favorite food?
वड़ा पाव. वड़ा पाव, पाव भाजी.
Now, I asked you a question right now on purpose.
What
What are you
Let's
doing?
spoke while talking. I feel good. Okay, next we'll go on.
Yes, are you
Sushi.
ready? chopstick.
No, you only start. I don't know what I will do.
First, we learn how to.
Yes.
You know how to use chopstick, right?
No, I don't know anything.
You don't know anything.
No, we start from the scratch.
Okay. All right. So easy way hack. 5-minute hack or 2-minute hack. Okay?
Okay.
When you use your chopstick or how do you use your chopstick is first wala ek ko niche rakh do. You have to understand this part of your hand. Ye wala jo hai na. This grip is very important. So the first one will come over here, and this grip is important. It should be a little firm. Okay, खींच के निकाल ना पाए. Okay. Now your fingers are free. Your thumb is free. Correct. Now how do you hold your pen? हाँ, तो the second one, इसको वापस उधर. Second one come like a
मेरी
pen.
तो नस ही चढ़ गई है. सच्ची यार नस चढ़ गई मेरी.
इतना जोर से नहीं पकड़ना है.
I am okay with what I know. हलास एक खा लेती हूँ मैं.
दूसरा है पेन. पेन की तरह इसको पकड़ना है. करेक्ट.
ये तो कुछ
थोड़ा
अजीब ही
नीचे.
हो गया.
I know वो होगा. हाँ. वैसे you have held it properly. You know how to use
Yeah.
chopstick.
Kind
You're
of.
doing it on purpose. Okay, so if you hold it like pen, you will see that 2 fingers and the thumb hold it like a pen. But these two are free, correct? Now what you do is you use those 2 fingers to push the bottom one in line like that, and that's it.
But I actually like doing it like this. Like that's my way of.
That's okay.
That's fine.
That's fine. So over the period of time, people
I
develop
learned
their
how to
own
eat with
method.
chopstick by my own self. I mean, I didn't
That's
like.
how
no one,
I can.
never.
Ideally, these 2 ends never meet each other. They
Yeah.
don't touch. So this
They
is
don't.
why this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you look at it, you are holding like I'm just giving you hand position. This is over here, okay, and you're holding it like this,
Yeah, like a pen.
like a pen.
So now what do I do? Keep
What
it
you
here?
dip it in the.
Yeah. Do you
um,
want some wasabi?
Yeah, I'll take it. So what you can do is you can put your sauces on top of it, or yeah, mix it. Either one is fine, and then you take your sushi and then you dip into it.
What's your favorite color?
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was lovely.
Yes.
Thank you so much for doing this with me.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me, and this was an amazing conversation.
No,
that
I'm
I
so
had.
glad I got to learn a lot from the best. And thank you for removing time. I have a little gift for you. Yes, this is from Himalaya Hair Care.
Oh wow,
I hope you enjoy this.
that's lovely.
It has an
Thank
amazing
you.
hair oil and hair mask. Please go use it. Thank you for doing
I will.
this.
I
with
will.
me.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Hansika. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So you know the drill, guys. I hope you liked this video. You can go follow Sonia on her Instagram, which I will link down. And you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. And